In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert USDC to cash on Coinbase. Now, it's actually very simple and straightforward, but make sure you follow the steps to ensure you do it correctly and don't mess anything up. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to come into our Coinbase account and make sure that we are logged in here. So you can see that I'm logged in, and you would want to have the USDC ready in your Coinbase account. And if you have got USDC available, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this section up here. It says buy and sell. Now we want to go over to the sell option here. And first of all, we want to go ahead and select what wallet we want to add it to. So I've got a Euro wallet and I have a GBP wallet. You might also have a USD wallet or something similar. So select the wallet you actually want it to go into. And just, pick the one that's best for you. Then up here where it says sell, it's going to start off by saying Bitcoin. What you want to do is you want to go and click on here and you want to type in USDC in here. Now, if you have USDC to sell, it's going to come up as a result inside of Coinbase. But if you don't, like me, then it's not going to come up. So make sure, if it's not showing up, make sure you convert whatever you have into USDC. And the way you can do that is type in the currency you do have, and then you can convert it to USDC here. And then once you've converted it, you can go ahead and click sell there. So that will basically allow you to sell it to cash, and then it will go into your cash balance here, which you can then go ahead and actually withdraw into your bank account or wherever you actually want to send it to. Or you can equally just hold it in there and then wait for a good opportunity to buy in. So that's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and it did help you convert USDC to cash on Coinbase, then be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below that it did help you out. Thank you very much for watching.